In this video, you'll explore the alarming issue of space debris and its potential impact on humanity's endeavors in space exploration and satellite operations. Space debris has been accumulating in Earth's orbit for decades, and it's becoming an increasingly dire problem. From old rocket bodies to broken satellites, there are thousands of pieces of junk floating around up there, threatening to cause catastrophic damage to operational spacecraft. The source of this mess is twofold. On one hand, you have intentional satellite destruction, where old satellites are deliberately blown up or deorbited, leaving behind a trail of debris. On the other hand, you have unintentional destruction, where satellites or rocket bodies explode or collide, creating even more junk. The consequences of this unchecked growth of space debris are far-reaching. With the number of operational satellites increasing every year, the risk of collisions and near misses is skyrocketing. It's not just a matter of replacing a few satellites. The entire ecosystem of space-based services is at stake. Imagine a world without GPS, weather forecasts, or even internet connectivity. That's the reality we might face if we don't tackle this issue. One of the most pressing concerns is the Kessler Syndrome, a scenario in which the concentration of debris in a particular orbit becomes so high that it creates a cascade of collisions, rendering that orbit unusable. This would have devastating consequences for our ability to launch new satellites, not to mention the safety of astronauts on the International Space Station. A prime example of the risks posed by space debris is the 2007 Chinese anti-satellite missile test, which created a massive cloud of debris in low Earth orbit. This event not only highlighted the dangers of space debris, but also sparked a fiery debate about the militarization of space. Another concerning incident is the 2013 near-miss collision between a European Space Agency satellite and a piece of debris, which came within just 30 meters of destroying the satellite. In 2019, a study published in the journal Science predicted that the amount of space debris in Earth's orbit would increase by 50% over the next decade, doubling the risk of collisions. This terrifying prospect has sparked a sense of urgency among space agencies and private companies, which are now working together to develop strategies for mitigating the problem. One such strategy is the development of deorbiting technologies, which would allow satellites to safely re-enter the Earth's atmosphere at the end of their operational life. Another approach is the implementation of international regulations governing the responsible use of space, such as ensuring that new satellites are designed with deorbiting capabilities from the get-go. The urgency of addressing the space debris problem cannot be overstated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below.